Stumagoo presents Man on Wash Cycle! Hi, it's Stuart, and after last week's craziness with all the party poppers and moose, I've decided to experience the washing machine. So, I've got my powder. Let's go! Here we go! Whoa! Stop! I'm a bit dizzy, my friends. That's the wash cycle. Now's the worst bit. Super spin on the rinse cycle. Oh, no more. Oh, I can't take any more of that. I'm not going to go into the tumble dryer to dry off. I think I'm going to go and dry off on the line, old-fashioned way, drip dry. And I'm drying, 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 oh. Catch you next week, my friends. Might take a bit of time to dry off. Adios.